friends, it's me Stace, and today you're going to see Stace create this really cute owl card with the Cricut Joy. So there's the outside, then we have the inside. Alright, let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already inside a Cricut Design Space. Upper left hand corner in that search box, I'm going to type in Insert Cards and then click on Enter. Then on this screen, scroll down until you see Cricut Projects. Go to the far right and click on where it says View All. In the search box again, this time I will type in the word owl, then click on Enter. And the one we're making is this owl card here. Going to click on that. It brings up a preview window. You want to change the finished size of your card. In my case, it is 4.25 by 5.5. Click on Customize. Alright, so we have the image for the front of the card. I do want to add text. So left-hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on the text box. And I'm going to type in I'll love you very much. Now, I do want this to be a writing style, so have your text selected. Upper left hand corner where the font is, I'm going to click on the down arrow. Go to the far right, click on the filter, and then change that to writing. Then choose whatever font you want to use. I think I'm going to use Cricut Sans. Now I want to resize this to fit. Bring it over here. Maybe I can go a little bit bigger. All right, I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to highlight everything. Go to the top toolbar, I'm going to choose a line. And the second one down, I'm going to choose a line center horizontally. That way it lines up our text left and right. Highlight everything one more time. Right click on that and then choose Attach. Now everything is together. I already have my Joy selected. Upper right hand corner, choose Make It. So you can see on our left-hand side toolbar, it's going to ask for the pen first, so it'll draw everything first, then it'll cut it out. And I'm using the card mat. I'm going to choose Continue. Now I'm going to choose Insert Card, Cardstock. And I'm going to change my pressure from Default to More. You can see it's asking us for the pen first, and then it'll cut out our card. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do that, go to the table, and we'll put the card together. All right, we are back. Now you can see just how quickly these Cricut Joy cards go together. So we have the card base, and I did cut a piece of glitter cardstock. This is 4 by 5 1/4. Same glitter cardstock. I cut this to be 1/4 inch wide, then a piece of white for the inside that measures 4 by 5 1/4. Take your insert piece. We're going to put that on the front of the card, on the inside, in between those notches. Just like that, give that a little push. Okay, so there's the front. Isn't that cute with the glitter? All right, now we have the inside. I'm going to take this little strip, and we're just going to put some glue on it, just for an accent on the inside. And I'm going to just put it on a little bit of an angle, just like that. Flip it over, cut off the extra. There and there. Now I'm going to take this one, put adhesive on the back. I'm using my advanced tape glider. I'm going to put that on the inside of the card, and then that quickly our card is done. Love these type of cards. So there's the outside. Then we have the inside. Now I do have a card kit right here. So you have this card to put together, this card to make. So you have one to make, one to mail. To be entered in the drawing to win my card kit, go to my website, be the first to comment on the coordinating blog post I will have below, and you'll be the winner of the card kit. All right, my friends, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.